Hey everybody, today we're going to show you how to set up your brand new August lock. Hey, I'm Trevor with Tink, and today we're going to show you how to set up your brand new August lock. So what we're going to do first is just unbox it and see what we've got inside, and then we'll take a look at how to set it up. Let's get started. First and foremost, we've got the box here. Got a lot of information about the August Smart Lock on the front. There's a variety of August Smart Lock products, so depending on which one you have, there's going to be information about it there. And the box is a nice box, red and bright inside, very sleek. We've got everything we need for our August Smart Lock. So now we're going to show you how to set up your August lock. Now the process for this is the same for all of the locks. Some of the products include the Wi-Fi bridge, which we have in this box here. Some locks don't have that, but the process we're going to show you is the same for all of them. So now that we have all of our stuff out of the box, we're going to go ahead and move over to our phone and move over to the August app to start setting it all up. So the first thing it prompts you to do is to make sure the plastic battery tab is taken off and that you're standing near the lock. So in order to make sure that the battery tab is taken off, any smart lock from August will have a little metallic door hiding the batteries. So in this case, you just pull off the plastic tab and then you slide the door back into place. And once we've done that, we can say begin setup. So now the app is scanning for the lock. Okay, great, so now it's discovered that there is a lock nearby and it wants to know which house we want to set it up for. We're going to set it up for our Tink Studio, of course. So now it's registering the lock to our studio. Now it's asking us if we want to calibrate the door sense, which is the feature right here that allows the lock to know whether your door is open or closed, which is a nice addition to the August Smart Lock system. In this case, we're just going to skip that calibration process and we will just do the lock. So the first thing the app is asking you to do is to make sure your door is closed and that the lock is unlocked. So once you have that, we'll say OK. And then it wants us to manually turn the lock by hand into the locked position. So we turn it that way. And then we want to turn it back manually to the unlocked position. So now the lock has been successfully calibrated, which is great. And done, and it asks us if we want to set up our bridge right now. We want to skip that for now. So now we've set up our August Smart Lock here. Just a reminder that the setup process for all of the August Smart Locks is exactly the same through the app, so you can just follow the instructions there. And just another reminder that if you're an Apple HomeKit user, that there's an easier way to set it up by scanning this code right into Apple HomeKit. So if you have any questions, make sure you write them below in the comments or check out tink.us for more information. And stay tuned to this channel for more videos. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos. We do a new one every single week, so stay tuned and come back for more.